So, paano po ba mag-apply ng auto loan para ma-approve ng zero down payment? So, meron po tayong question from our client na nag-i-inquire. So, paano ba ma-approve ng auto loan application? So, madali lang naman po. For now, we have auto loan application online. So, we can send you the online application form. Just fill it out. And for the requirements, that will depend po sa ating source of income. If you are employed, we just need to present your certificate of employment, your 3 months na payslips, 2 valid IDs, preferably government-issued IDs, pwedeng passport, lisensya, PRC ID, PhilHealth, and postal, etc. And also your company ID and your proof of billing, pwedeng electric bill, water bill, internet bill na nakapangalan sa inyo. Kung hindi naman po nakapangalan sa inyo, pwede tayong kumuha ng barangay certificate of residency. And then, also, yung picture po ng bahay ninyo sa labas. Para po kung i-CI tayo ng bangko, mas madali pong mahanap yung ating location. And then, for OFW naman, we just need to present your contract, your passport, your 3 months payslip or salary certificate if you have, and also yung remittances, kung paano siya pinadala at na-receive sa Philippines, and your proof of billing, and also kung sino yung nag-receive ng remittance sa Pilipinas, preferably siya yung magiging ating principal borrower. Kung on vacation naman, yung nag-receive ng remittance siya yung magiging co-borrower. And then, for business owners, we just need to present your DTI permit, your business permits, your ITR if you have, 3 months latest na bank statement, your 2 valid IDs, proof of billing, yung picture ng ating business location, and also yung location ng ating bahay sa labas po. Picturean lang natin para po mas mabilis ang CI ng ating bangko. And then, will surely help you naman po sa approval ng ating bank and ma-avail niyo yung aming promo. So, kung meron pa po tayong tanong, you can call me directly sa aking mobile number. It's 0905-675-4122, and this is Viber and WhatsApp ready na. So, yun po. See you sa release ng sasakyan niyo. Thank you!